What's going on, traders? Yeah, just want to get on here and kind of share the trading day with you guys. So far, caught a buy on GPB or GBP USD. It's kind of doing the opposite of our entry plan. Um, I'm only taking sells at the moment just because it's been going down and I've been getting fucked on, thinking that's at the bottom, then it goes sideways and then it goes up and then it tricks me into this and then tricks me into that. And so I'm only really going to focus on these sells. I was able to catch this sell before New York session, the opposite of our entry pattern where we have this inducement where it kind of breaks through this sideways range, breaking this new high. I was able to catch it for like a $7.50 profit. I caught it a little late, caught it up here, wrote it down to here, and now part of our entry plan is once it breaks this sideways range like this and you have this inducement, it's like kind of wait and see if it gets down here for to test this order block over here, and then it will take off to the upside. So I'm kind of waiting for the bull trap to form here, and I'm gonna hit another sell. It's kind of going. I don't know if it's gonna go up a little higher or not, but that's what I'm kind of waiting for. And I got places to be today, so I don't have really a lot of time to sit through a lot of New York session here. I'm tempted to hit a sell right now, but I'm going to be a little bit more patient. I'm going to resist the, oh, you're missing out on this opportunity. You need to jump into it right away. Working on these patience-related discipline things. Failed at it yesterday big time. You look at the account balance. It's luckily I hit that, this trade this morning because I ended up getting pissed, I guess, at the pound for just trading sideways, and I just wanted to do something or whatever, and so ended up thinking, oh well, if I just put a trade in before I go to bed on the Swissy, which I ended up doing, and I'll show you guys that one. It was working out really well. Let me pull this watch list up. Yeah, it was kind of one of those things with this Swissy here. Let me get it so everybody can see. So on an uptrend, as you can see, I was hoping it would hit this take profit up here where this black line is. I had ended up getting a buy on it down here somewhere. And what time did it knock me out? Right here. I had my stop loss. Where the hell did I have my stop loss? Yeah, I got knocked out right here on this candlestick. I think I had a pretty large stop loss too, because I think it might have, no, it wasn't that one. If I was down here, I would have been safe, but again, cutting the shit too close, I may have had it here or up here. I'm not sure. I probably had it right here. Hindsight, smaller size, bigger stop loss, especially for just going to bed and just letting it be. And it looks like I'm kind of missing this bull trap. I'm gonna see. This line is slightly below this. If it bounces up again, it could be the new higher low. Give it one more candlestick to see what it does. If it takes off again, I'll kind of wait for it to go up a little higher before I hit a sell. Looks like we have some order block. I think that's what these are even called. Hopefully I'm getting a little bit accurate on the language of trading. Oh, Mike, you're still just a rookie retard. You're not even saying these words correctly. Why should I listen to you? And it's like, well, you shouldn't listen to me. I'm brand new at this. This is more for entertainment, financial entertainment than anything else. But I'm gonna just share this Forex with other people that are getting into the game. They can learn from what I'm doing without wasting their own capital. That's all good. Looks like on this guy we got a bullish candlestick forming, so we'll go ahead and just wait. This is coming off a pretty intense impulse up, as you guys can see. Make sure all my visuals are looking good. Yeah, this is coming from a pretty intense impulse up, break of formation, everything on the 15-minute. Did get a little bit of a double top with that candlestick wick, which at this point kind of just playing the waiting game to see if this rallies back. With our entry plan taking a buy out of a sideways range, it's following it pretty accurately, so it's like the inducement, and if we were taking a buy, we would wait for it to come back to this zone. So since we're selling, kind of just waiting for a good position on the candlestick wick to hit a sell, and then ride it down to hopefully here before it then changes directions to the upside. And the reasoning behind that is, if you look at like the 4 hour, I got multiple times of the same pair just so I don't get confused. So we got this downtrend going. So that is the new lower high. And so I wouldn't be totally shocked if this being the new lower low, the swing low, if it comes back to test this what are we doing? If it comes back to test this area, above or below it, it's just kind of somewhere in there. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back to that area on a buy, so that was what I was hoping it would be doing for days. But these charts, they just move like an old man. It's just like, really, we're still testing this shit? What the fuck? What is going on? It's like, why? But then you gotta realize you're dealing, on some level with the general public. Not really. I mean, not the general public. I don't think is really doing a lot of Forex. But kind of after any up and down, you can expect some sideways movement of the chart. But yeah, it's just up, and then it's like, oh, go, and then back down. It's like, okay. And then hours later, still fucking doing that shit. It's like, what is going on? Just make a fucking decision. Since this guy's lower than out, I think it's going to take a buy here. We'll just do a small stop loss. By small, or maybe three pip. We'll see where that places us. We'll just manually adjust it. So ended up doing a 4.5 pip on this guy. Maybe should have waited. We'll kind of see what's going on here. I'm trying to get in the position here to, when this thing drops to this level, to potentially go again. It's looking like it's working out. Might try to catch it again on the pullback here. And add to the winning trade. Part of my new strategy going forward here is to take more profit, because I've been letting it run too much. I need to start looking at it like, okay, if this was down $1 or $2, would I want to be out of it? Normally, with the fees and everything, it's like $2.50 is like the minimum cash out. But I might, because I want to at least cover all the expenses of the swaps, or not the swaps, all the broker shit. I just want to make sure it's all in balance. Basically just waiting for this last shoe to drop here. Look at it on the 15-minute. Looks like it just fell. Let's drop beneath that guy. So that's good for us. Hopefully all the stream is going good. I'm going to jump in the chat. See if anybody's in here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully everything is going great for you. Get back into this. And so on the 15-minute, looks like we got good movement in our direction. It's probably as soon as this thing resolves, I'll probably bounce for the day. Actually, I got trying to get all this stuff together for the trip and finish all these jobs and everything up. Now it's taken off. Kind of setting up for New York, really. I'm gonna say probably gonna be I would think that would drop to about right there where this thing starts to draw it so everybody can see what I'm thinking. As I've learned over the years, we are all on different pages. Right here. Let's see how these. Oh, and I think that's going to be my cue to get out of here, actually. So, with that being said, looks like we're moving in a good direction here. Other than these actual moves anyway, I'm not really interested in buys, so we'll wait till it gets down to here. But I need to take that phone call, so I think I'm actually going to bounce. So we're seeing a lot of good movement here. I'm going to go ahead and probably I'm just going to wait and see what's going on. I'd like to get some winners going, change this streak around. There's another good spot it could bounce with these three candlesticks right here at this indecision area. Look at the 1 minute chart. Looks like it blew through a lot of them zones. First sign of trouble here, I'm just going to close it. It's starting to kind of turn around. Oh, maybe not. just gonna let that be. $8.69 take profit. 9. It's almost to our take profit zone. I'm watching the P&L if it starts to slow down or stop. I'm just going to manually close it because it's so close anyway. I'm just going to close it. It's starting to turn around. And with that being said, I think that's going to be it for me for the stream. I got a couple of real quick moves, and just a recap here. I was able to grab it up here for a $7 profit, and then I was able to grab it there for another $7-8 profit, and squeak some money out of the market. Now I would assume from this point it would probably be a buy opportunity, but I'm not interested in buying this anymore, not until we get higher up. So with that being said, thanks for listening, checking out the quick stream here. Try to be at least disciplined enough to do these streams for the benefit of everybody watching. And with that being said, thanks for vibing with me, and God bless. Till the next session.